Good morning. A beautiful start to this Friday morning. You can see the blue skies and really not too hazy out there this morning. And we may see a little haze from time to time in the metro area, but most of the smoke from the fires over in Arizona is going to stay to our south and west. That's where the air quality alerts are for this afternoon. And we have them for Castro County and much of Socorro County. And so that alert goes until 5 o'clock this afternoon. And we're going to see especially most of that smoke again over near the border. So again, dealing with the smoke, the winds today are going to be on the breezy side. The dry conditions are sticking around, and of course we're dealing with the heat and all of that, of course, in favor of very high fire danger conditions. So red flag warnings for the entire eastern half of the state, also the west central plains, and then of course northern, central, and southern New Mexico under fire weather watches. So fire danger again high for us today, and it's only going to get higher as we go into the weekend. The winds are going to get even stronger this weekend. The heat's not going anywhere, and high pressure dominating the weather really, and that means very dry conditions, and it's also going to keep the winds out of the south and west. So we could see some smoke and haze from time to time in the central part of the state, but again, most of it staying back out to the west. Winds will be a little bit better today. Yesterday we had some gusts up near 40, 45 miles per hour. Those will be mainly near 35 miles per hour this afternoon. So we'll get a little bit of a break from it, not too much. And then this weekend, the winds ramp back up again Saturday, and especially on Sunday. Sunday, winds could gust higher than 50 miles per hour. We could be even looking at wind advisories and high wind warnings for part of the state. So wind and fire danger certainly peaking this Sunday, which is Father's Day, by the way. So we're going to be looking at dry conditions. So definitely be careful and keep that in mind if you're going to be doing any cooking or barbecuing outdoors. That fire danger extremely high, the highest that we will have seen so far this season. North and west today, a beautiful day, sunny and breezy. Winds will gust to 35 miles per hour, and temperatures continue to be on the warm side. 82 in Durango, nearly 90 in Farmington. Tomorrow, it gets a little cooler in Durango, upper 70s, and then some moisture moves in this weekend, and by Monday night and going into next weekend, we could be looking at a few isolated thunderstorms up that way. South and west, sunny and windy with temperatures topping back out in the upper 90s and triple digits. Winds will gust to 40 miles per hour, so high fire danger, hazy conditions in the southwest, and the winds persist into Monday, and then it gets better, but still no rain. We're going to look at more sunshine next week. South and east, extreme heat here. Temperatures triple digits again. 103 in Roswell, 104 in Carlsbad, with winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. We're staying in the triple digits with the wind through Monday, and then it all gets better by next week. In fact, more moisture moving in, and maybe even a few thunderstorms by Wednesday, Thursday. So north and east, hot and windy today. Temperatures in the mid-90s for Clayton, 99 in Conchas, 101 in Tucumcari, and windy conditions will stick around through Monday with a chance for a few thunderstorms for the middle part of next week. And for the northern mountains, sunny and warm. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s. At Santa Fe, looking at highs near 90 as we head through the weekend, and then it gets cooler for the start of next week. East Mountains more of the same here, with temperatures getting into the low 90s and breezy to windy conditions there. And for the metro, a couple of degrees cooler than yesterday, but still very hot. Winds gusting to 35 miles per hour. And let's see if we can get back to that 7-day. I did not mean to skip over it. But yeah, that 7-day forecast, we're staying dry. May see a little more moisture moving in next week, but still no rain in the forecast.